Hi there, welcome back to another videos on this channel, and I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to show you this modern take on the classic Cambodian dish called Fermented Bean Ginger Fish, and I hope you like it. The ingredients that you need are giant snakehead fish, called fermented bean paste, but I don't use the liquid part of it, I only use the beans. And for the veggies, we got a medium-sized ginger, 3 garlics, and some spring onions. And here's the list of it. The tables of the ingredients here is meant for the guidance only, so the taste is so neutral. But if you really want it a bit salty or sweeter, you can always have it your own way, because I always believe in adjusting seasoning to better suit your taste. So do so and add more spices if you like. First, lightly season the fish with a bit of salt and a bit of seasoning powder. Then just gently massage the fish to make sure all of the seasoning then would go into the flesh. But make sure that you don't damage the flesh at all. And after that you can just keep there for 30 minutes. And then prepare garlic. Like you can see in this video, just cut it into small pieces, and whenever we're dealing with meat, we always prepare garlic like this. And cut spring onions like you can see in this video. I have no idea how to call these actions in English, so if you know, please comment down below. And then just peel off ginger by using a spoon and then thinly slice the ginger into small pieces. And after you've done preparing all of the veggies, you can start cooking by putting the garlic in. And wait until it turns golden brown like you can see here, and then take it off from the frying pan. And in the same frying pan, just put the fish in and fry them until it becomes golden brown on all sides. Turn it upside down like you can see in this video here. And giant snakefish is so common, but it's quite more expensive. So normally in Cambodia they always use different fish that is cheaper. And I find that giant snakehead fish is so delicious. You should try it. It's probably more delicious than salmon, in my own opinion, of course. And after they all turn brown like you can see in this video, just keep it somewhere. And then let's proceed to make a sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of fermented beans into the frying pan. After that, put our ginger in. And then add a half cup of water in. Wait until it boils, and then you can start seasoning it with a half tablespoon of sugar, a half tablespoon of seasoning powder. Mix it well, and before it's done, just put some spring onions in. And voila, you make the sauce. The most delicious one, by the way. This is my favorite part in cooking. Plating is one of the most satisfying for me. Probably it has to do with my degree, because I studied architecture and I always want to make things look beautiful. I hope you like the recipe and follow me on social media and share this recipe. Let me know what you think about it in the comment down below, and please like, share, subscribe. It means a lot to me, and see you in the next video. Bye.